Hola, ¿cómo están? Today we're going to talk about the vowels in Spanish. It's very important that you practice this because it will help you master the pronunciation and it will improve your accent. Now, I'm going to pronounce these vowels so you can hear how they sound. A, E, I, O, U. I'm going to pronounce them again. A, E, I, O, U. These vowels are pronounced always the same way, always. So they are only going to have one sound each of them. Unlike English, where a vowel can have several sounds. For example, the letter A can be pronounced A as in apple or A as in father. But this scenario won't happen in Spanish. We're only going to have one sound for each of them. Now let's talk a bit more about how to pronounce these vowels. So the letter A is pronounced A as in apple. A, apple. So it's important that your mouth is open and that you're raising a bit your cheeks so you can open to the sides also. So a as in avión, which means plane. The letter E is pronounced E as in elephant. Elephant. Now the mouth is more closed compared to when we pronounce the letter A and the lips are not rounded. E as in estrella, which means star. The letter I is pronounced E as in B. B. So the mouth is a bit open and the lips are not rounded. So E as in isla, which means island. The letter O is pronounced O as in coat. Coat. Now it's important that the mouth is a bit open and the lips are rounded. O as in ojo, which means eye. The letter U is pronounced U as in goose. Goose. So the lips are rounded and protruded, like for example when you're going to blow out a candle. U as in universo, which means universe.